Guys, ito dito ako bababa. Martin. 14864. Okay, dito. Tapos makikita dito yung A1. Itong North Main, Sullivan, at saka yung fire station. So guys, after blue bus, I'm going to ride green bus going to Scott Road Station. Hindi ako napunta sa Soleil Station Central kasi ewan ko, mali yung nasakyan ko. Dapat King George lang ako bumaba. Hello guys, finally I make it. See? Hello guys, with my, assistants and their habit. Guys, I finally make it. Ayan, nandito tayo to meet Arlene and Sandra. I don't know, makakarating si Sandra pero si Arlene sigurado na. So, guys, if you wanna go to Stanley Park, you can ride the bus here. So, now I knew it. Now I know. Ayan. Guys, nakaka-happy naman. Metropolis na ako. I think okay kang Doc Martens. Guys, baka gusto nyo dito ng bench. Bibili ko kayo dito ng bench. Guys, so apple. Guys, wala pang apple 17 here. Sa Friday pa daw. So, hi guys! With my classmate, Arlene Sabaniano. College days. Grabe, nakakaaliw naman. Hi guys!
Dapat nag-ano.
Grabe, nakakatuwan.
Hindi ka pa rin tumapat na
Hi guys. So ayan, I finally meet my college friends. Guys. Guys, ito tayo. Kapag ginulpi ka, ayan ka, kawawa.
Wala. Kasi it's all day. Pero,
All day. Hindi to all you care, parang pipili ka lang. Hello guys, thank you for kapag pag nawalan ka ng mga bagay-bagay, ito ka, kawawa. With Arlene and Sandra. Nakakainis. Marami pala.
here's Eugene.
Hi, domo arigato. Welcome to Kawawa Restaurant, Japanese. Sanito tayo sa Canada pero feeling Japanese. So ito po yung exam namin for today's video. So, right minus lang po ito. Fish and feather. Tama, fish and feather, di ba? Imamatch mo dito dapat. Correct. So, order na tayo ha.
Okay.
So, ilang chicken karage? Chicken. Ay, yung tori karage, 9.
Ah, sige.
So, tatlo tayo.
Yeah.
So, yung calamari, make it 9 na rin.
Ayan, seryoso po si Eugene.
Okay. Grilled salmon head. Oyster.
Ay, gusto mo oyster, di ba?
So, you want that. Oyster.
Ay, sige, isa lang.
Na-try natin yung I want it oyster. 2.
That scallop motoyaki is yung parang fry lang. Dilog lang siya.
Parang sa teppanyaki. Udon.
Okay, pansit, pampahaba ng buhay.
Chicken udon ako. Ikaw.
Sige. Beef.
Tatlong chicken, tatlong beef. Baka ganito yung serving niya sa udon.
Yeah.
Video naman yung mga serving. Pang Japanese ka na.
Hindi po kami Japanese, Pinoy po kami. Alam niyo na may mga ganito, pa-sweet lang. Pang kami, pang badagulan. So, ito po kawawa. Thank you guys. And guys, look at this one with Sandra, Arlene, and me.
And Sandra.
Ayan guys, thank you guys ha. Kasi nakakatuwa, promise. Kagabi nga excited na ako eh.
How many years?
Correct.
I-post mo sa... Talaga,
Diet
kaya
ka?
palang sexy mo.
Hindi, ang tabak. Tumaba na nga ako kasi nga
Nakabakasyon ka eh. Nakakaalam mo kung papayad ka sa bakasyon.
Hi guys. Bucket list. Dine in sa McDonald's. Okay guys, bucket list. Check with my 2 college Judean. Halala mo yung Judean na t-shirt.
Parang yung fans club ni Judy.
Not yet. Not ready yet.
Hello guys, Lululemon tayo for today's video.